In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spreadsheet with Google Calendar. 2000 step by step. We'll start in Google Sheets. Open sheets.google.com and create a new file by choosing the blank option. With your sheet open, look to the top menu and click Extensions. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where we'll grab the tool that connects your sheet to Google Calendar. In the search bar, type Export. From the results, select Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet. This is a popular add-on that pulls event details directly from your Google Calendar into your sheet. Click Install to begin. A few prompts will appear to make sure your account has permission to use the add-on. First, confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. If you work with more than one account, double check that the one you want is selected before moving on. Then click Continue. You'll see a list of permissions such as access to your spreadsheets and calendar. These permissions are necessary so the add-on can read your events and write them into the sheet. When you're comfortable, click Allow. You'll get a confirmation that Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet has been installed. Click Done, then close the pop-up to return to your sheet. Now let's open the add-on. Go back to Extensions, find Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet in the list, and click Open Sidebar. A panel will appear on the right. It may show a brief working message. Just give it a moment to load. Once the sidebar is ready, set your preferences. Choose to include all events so you capture everything on your calendar. Next, select the specific calendar you want to connect. If you manage multiple calendars, pick the one that holds the events you need in this spreadsheet. The selection here controls what gets pulled in. After you've chosen all events and the calendar you want, the add-on will fetch your data. This can take a little while if you have a lot of events, so be patient. When it's done, you'll see your calendar information populate the sheet as rows, with details organized into columns. From here, you can sort, filter, analyze, or share your schedule just like any other spreadsheet. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets with Google Calendar using the Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet add-on, and your events are now ready to use in your sheet.